Hi, my name is Lincoln, and I have a lizard named Spikes. He's a bearded dragon, and he is from Stanza. This is my dad, and this is my sister.
Tell us about your lizard.
My lizard likes to eat bugs. All he eats is hornworms and superworms. Superworms are a type of worm with a shell on their back, a hard shell. So they get ate, and it's pretty good. He has still some other worms. He has other worms up there, the hornworms. We could talk about these. This is a hornworm. They're all those blue things. And some of them are fat, some of them are not that fat. See how little those are?
Are those his favorite?
Nope, he likes to eat the big fat ones. See those two big fat ones in that jar? He loves those, the big fat ones. And these are these I'm going to have to shake up. See these?
Yeah, tell us a little more about Spikes.
These are the superworms, and they are shelled.
Does he like it really cold or really warm?
Warm.
Is that why we're not outside?
Yes. So balance with like 108 degrees.
I think his cage is like 95.
Yeah, it's balanced with that.
Is he sharp?
See those spikes on the side? Those spikes are not that spiky. Go ahead and touch them, Dad.
Ooh, they're a little spiky.
Yeah, but not that spiky. His tail.
These are really spiky.
The farther you go down,
Feel these.
right here, right here.
Is he venomous?
No, but this part of his scales are that part of his tail. As you go down his tail, it gets like softer and softer. It gets it gets smoother and smoother and smoother. Because up here it stickers up and then it goes down, really smooth.
Very
Finney,
cool.
touch
We're
me.
looking forward to more outside videos soon.
Finney,
Thanks.
Finney, touch this part of the tail. Tell me how it feels.
It feels soft
That feels
and
smooth.
tickly. It feels tickly and smooth.
Thanks for showing us Spikes, the bearded dragon.
You're welcome. Video closed.